Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to ARMS online classes. I am Mansoor Ahmed. Students, in previous lecture, we have talked about the first part of the Tiger King. Today, I am going to tell you about the astrologer episode. Okay? Astrologer is the main episode in this chapter. When Tiger King was, or you can say Jilani Jang Bahadur was an infant. Then chief astrologer came to the kingdom of Partivanpuram and he gauged him very carefully and he foretold that one day the Tiger King or the infant would be die. Okay? To hear this, everyone who was presented in that kingdom got astonished. Okay? Astonished. Then suddenly, the 10 days old baby spoke out. 10 days old baby spoke to astrologer about the manner of his death. Then astrologer thought something and he said that the baby was born in the hour of bull and the tiger and bull are enemies. So death would be come from tiger. Okay? Astrologer said that the baby was born in the hour of bull and the tiger and bull are enemy, so that would be come from tiger, means the manner of death would be a tiger. Okay, students. Next, to hear it, the infant declared that let's be aware tigers. When the Tiger King heard that the manner of his death would be a tiger, then he declared, be aware tigers. Okay, students, it was a short episode of astrologer. After some years, when the Tiger King became the Maharaj of Pratibandpuram, the ruler of Pratibandpuram, he killed a tiger and he sent for information. He sent for information to the old astrologer and said that your prediction has been proved false. Okay, then the astrologer replied him that your majesty, you may kill 99 tiger, but the 100th tiger would be cause of your death. And he also declared, if you will be able to kill 100 tiger, I will tore my books, I will cut my tuft, and I will become an insurance agent. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, मतलब कि जो एस्ट्रोलॉजर है उसने कहा कि महाराज, अगर आप 100 टाइगर को मारने में सफल हो गए, पहली बात तो आप सफल होंगे नहीं, अगर आप बाय द वे सफल हो गए तो मैं क्या करूंगा, मेरी जो टफ्ट है, टफ्ट कहा जाता है जो चोटी होती है, उसे मैं अपनी जो चोटी है उसको कटवा दूंगा। ओके, और मेरी जो एस्ट्रोलॉजी की बुक है उन सबको मैं क्या कर दूंगा, तोड़ कर दूंगा, मतलब फाड़ना, मैं उनको फाड़ के फेंक दूंगा, और मैं क्या बन जाऊंगा, एन इंश्योरेंस एजेंट। अगर आपने 100 टाइगरों को किल कर दिया तो मैं एक इंश्योरेंस एजेंट बन जाऊंगा। तब जो टाइगर किंग है उसने शपथ ली दैट आई विल kill 100 tiger. Okay students, in this lecture I have told you about the astrologer episode. In further classes I will tell you, I will call you that how the crown of tiger king fall into danger. Okay students, subscribe our YouTube channel, and thanks for listening me.